Hi there, I'm Anders Fogelund from the Omnia team. Did you know that Omnia Express is the easy and cost-effective way to a great intranet in Microsoft 365 for smaller and medium-sized organizations? This is based on 3 pillars: a swift, fixed-price implementation, a great intranet product, and valuable services that will help you after launch. So first of all, let's look at some features within Omnia. So what you see here are important and very popular features in Omnia Express intranets. So here you find start page, news management, information pages, events calendar, Teams integration, theming, and so forth. We will have a look at some of the features in just a little while. When it comes to implementation, we will do this to a fixed price. It will be done within only a few weeks. We do recommend that you add a couple of weeks to work with your solution, moving in and preparing before you launch it to end users. When you have launched it, we do think that you will need a couple of services to help you along the way. This includes hosting and monitoring of the solution. This includes regular product updates. This includes our customer success program. And of course, if you run into any challenges, you can contact our support desk and they can help you out. But let's now look at some of the features. So first of all, let's start with some basics. You will need this cross-solution top banner. In there you will find the Microsoft 365 app launcher, but also your own logo and the intranet name, and a mega menu that can help bring an overview to end users. You will also, in that top banner, find the image of the logged on user and also some icons with popular features such as search and personalized navigation. In this case, the My Links list. So these are applications that I use on a frequent basis during daily work. So this is an example start page. And what we find here are just as you would expect, the promoted news articles. We do find some navigation here, banners to hot topics within your organization. We have the events calendar on the start page. We highlight employees, maybe based on new colleagues or employee of the month, or perhaps upcoming birthdays. We have inputted here the weekly poll to learn more about preferences and attitudes within our workforce. And to the right, we have more personalized navigation to the recently used applications, teamwork, and documents for that logged on user. And on the bottom there, you can also see upcoming events in the personal calendar of the logged on user. Let's now look at news publishing. So the news center of the solution is available through the top banner, and here you can find all published news articles. And if you have the credentials, you can click Create Article. You can add the title of the article that you're about to create, and then you arrive at the page where you are to input the content as the summary here and the text below here. You can then move on to add an image or a video. And in this case, you can see that we have several sources that we can use. In this case, we're using Pexels, an external service. So I'm choosing an image here. We help you reduce the size of that image. You can also edit the image before you add it to the page. As you go along, you can now choose if this is a regular or promoted news article. Of course, you can preview the article in a broader screen or perhaps in a mobile client. When you click Publish, you have published the page, and end users, when they visit this page, can of course interact with content down here. They can like it, they can share it using email, share it to Teams or share it to Yammer. And of course, users can also comment on the article. When we come back to the news archive now, that news article that we published is the most recently published, of course, so all news articles available here. But to make sure that end users really get all the news articles, we also show these in the notification panel. So when the news article was published, the end user was notified that there's a new article, and we can see which one it is here. If we instead had chosen that this should be a promoted news article, then it would show here on the start page. Let's also look at search. So within the Omnia Express solution, we have both the quick search available here in the top banner. So this is divided up into a number of categories. So we have people, we have news, we have pages, we have documents, and this is of course configurable to fit your needs. But what you also can do here is go to the advanced search, and you have the same categories here. So this can really help your end users to find the information that they are looking for, whether it's people, it's news articles, web pages, or maybe documents. So this was of course just a brief flyover of an Omnia Express solution, but we got plenty of more information for you in our webinar or in a longer video on our website. But let's just do a summary here. The Omnia Express is an easy and cost-effective way to a great intranet in Microsoft 365 for smaller and medium-sized organizations. This is based on 3 pillars: the swift, fixed-priced implementation, the great Omnia product packed with all features that you will need, and also then the services included in your subscription to ensure that this will be a hassle-free experience for you. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we can meet up soon again to talk more about Omnia Express. Thank you.